So for this video ay tungkol sa SSS loan balance. Tungkol sa loan balance na hindi na-cleared sa account ng member. So it means yung member nag-renew na ng loan or nagre-loan kahit may balance pa at yung remaining balance ay kinaltas sa loanable amount. So, halimbawa, salary loanable amount is 24,000. Tas may balance pa sa salary or calamity at kinaltas ng SSS. Then, after a month, na-notice mo na may loan balance ka pa rin kahit bayad ka na. Or nag-loan ka uli dahil bayad ka na, pero rejected dahil may loan balance ka pa rin. So, i-check mo sa loan info, under inquiry. So, isa-isahin mo yung loan history. It's either salary or calamity. Baka may hindi na-close. So, actually, kung employed ka, sa employer account naman, makikita namin yan, char namin. Tulad nito. So, may loan siya ng 2018. Then, nag-renew ng 2023. So, halimbawa, pero nag-reflect pa rin yung old loan niya na at may balance pa. So, meaning, hindi na-close. So, nilagay lang namin sa payment amount is 0. So, what you gotta do with that is dirt. So, first is, kailangan mo ng RVF or Request Verification Form. So, pwede mong ma-download or pwede kang makakuha ng form through SSS branch. Then, of course, valid ID. Then, submit to SSS branch. So, makikita yan sa system nila, yung loan status mo. Then after, check mo na lang sa my.sss account kung okay na ba or hindi pa. So, it takes a month bago maging okay. So, pag wala pa rin, nangyari, ganun pa rin. So, follow up mo na lang yung SSS branch kung saan ka pumunta. So, pag employed ka, pwede naman yung employer mag-process. So that's all for this video.